Hello everyone, my name is Collins Nkamwesiga. Collins is a health consultant in the wellness industry. Today we are going to share about diabetes. This is an issue that has become very prevalent today amongst very many people. This is now affecting the youth. We used to think this challenge is for old people, but the narrative has changed. It is now in our children and youth. We are going to uncover this and see how we can prevent it. And if you already have it, we find ways on how you can be able to manage it. And what solution do we have as Norland that can help you manage this condition and how to outgrow it? What does diabetes mean and what happens in your body when you have diabetes? Diabetes means too much sugar or glucose in your body. Where does the sugar come from? Most of the foods we eat contain a lot of sugars in them, and they are basically used by your body to produce energy. Your pancreas makes insulin, which helps your body to use the sugar without the right amount of insulin. Then you get into problems as far as your sugars are concerned in the body. If you have too much or not enough sugar in your blood, then a problem arises. Thus, you may have excess sugars or low blood sugars. Either way, you start to have a problem with diabetes. There are three types of diabetes. Type 1 is caused by autoimmune challenges. It normally occurs and it cannot be prevented, and it's usually in children. It requires taking insulin every day for the rest of the kid's life. Type 2 diabetes is the most common form of diabetes. This is the one that affects most adults. Cause type 2 diabetes and how you can be able to prevent it. The other form is gestational diabetes. This affects pregnant women. Gestational diabetes is harmful both to the mother and the baby. Let's get into it. What exactly happens? Statistics of type 2 diabetes are alarming. Type 2 diabetes develops because of diet, thus what we eat or fail to eat. If it's growing very high in kids, this is a matter to worry about, because if our parents gave us good food, then why are we doing a disservice? This is in context that we are giving our kids what we failed to enjoy when we are still young. The likes of sodas, burgers, chapatis, sodas are actually harming them. According to statistics, in America, out of 5 children, 1 of them is overweight and obese. Youth, maturing, and old people are now getting diabetes. When you look at the youth, 1 in 5 people don't know the habits. Are you aware if you have diabetes or not? Whether you are a youth or an adult, you need to go and check as far as diabetes is concerned. Signs, causes, and symptoms of diabetes. According to statistics, the following races are prone to increasing numbers of diabetes: Africans, Asians, Americans, Native Americans, Alaska. Just being an African, you are at a high risk of contracting type 2 diabetes. Age is also a contributing factor. Family background, the family bloodline. If your ancestors had diabetes, then you need to be extra careful. During pregnancies, most ladies develop diabetes because of sugar disruptions. Overweight babies and old people are both at risk of lacking physical activity. Damage and removal of the pancreas. Some medicines may also trigger diabetes. Eating a lot of junk foods, the biscuits, burgers, chips, sodas, the sausages. Hormonal diseases. Unhealthy lifestyles, like eating excess food. Control your food portions so that you don't eat to live, you eat to live. Obesity, living a highly stressful life. For example, people that are in senior positions, the responsibilities are high, the lifestyle, lack of rest. Most of us, we lack rest. We are supposed to sleep 6 to 7 hours a day. But most of us, due to our tired and confused lifestyles, we end up sleeping few hours, thus putting us to risking into diabetes. Urinating frequently is a sign of pre-diabetes. Sudden weight loss, wounds not healing. I talked to a lady that got a wound and the whole body got black. Then when she was rushed to the hospital, she was told that she has diabetes. Sexual challenges. Impotence, loss of interest might be a challenge of diabetes. Always feeling hungry, numbness or tingling of hand, feet, the diabetic foot, always thirsty, vaginal infections. Most of the times I tell ladies that if you're experiencing recurring infections, you might be having diabetes or you might be pre-diabetic, because sugars always give a room to these vaginal infections. If you see any of these signs and symptoms, go for a checkup, take corrective measures to rule out diabetes. Complications that arise because of diabetes: glaucoma, retinopathies, eye diseases, diabetic foot, nerve diseases, stroke, heart and brain damage, diet and nutrition interventions. Limit highly sugary drinks, sodas. For example, a soda contains 8 tablespoons of sugar. That means if you drink a soda, you need 8 glasses of water to dilute what you've put in your body. Avoid junk. Do physical activities at least 15 to 30 minutes to make your heart pump. Sweet food in the body is dangerous. If you are not eating fruits and vegetables, then you are really endangering your body now and then. Control and detection. Early control, early detection can really help you to control type 2 diabetes. Eat your weight in grams, especially proteins. If you have 50 kilograms, don't eat a kilogram of meat. Take 50 grams of meat. A teaspoon of sugar and fat is enough. I usually encourage people to take fruits and vegetables, at least 3 to 9 different servings. We have a variety of fruits, but people have adamantly refused to take them. Fruits act as antioxidants in our bodies. According to World Health Organization, chronic diseases account for 3 out of 4 deaths of the whole world, e.g. stroke, heart diseases, obesity, respiratory challenges. Our company chairman worked for World Health Organization for 33 years and discovered there is a need to reverse the trend of chronic diseases. World Health Organization tells us sometimes that health diet can prevent 52% of type 2 diabetes. But reality is that we don't eat right. We are so confident about our products that they do what we say and are safe for human consumption. We have put a money-back guarantee that if you use our products and they don't work for you or meet your standards, you bring them back and we refund you or replace them. That means we are confident about our products. What is the solution as far as your health is concerned? Norland has a solution to diabetes. The solution is our Norland Detox Pro Pack. This is a systematic herbal formula that thoroughly cleanses the whole body, cell by cell, tissue by tissue, organ by organ, until the whole body is clean. It purifies cells and gradually restores tissues and organ function. The detox pack is for all diseases, and everyone needs to detoxify their bodies regardless of whatever condition you are in. The detox pack cleanses, repairs, and restores your whole body. Every day, we take good care of our bodies. On the outside, we bathe, brush, apply lotions, and perfumes. But have you ever wondered who cleans the inside? No doctor has ever told you to clean your internal organs by taking medicine. Yet, you wouldn't apply lotion on a dirty skin, would you? Years of eating food sprayed and injected with chemicals, breathing polluted air, using products full of toxins, and poor lifestyle choices have caused toxin buildup in our bodies. These toxins silently damage our organs like the liver, kidney, lungs, the heart, spleen, leading to chronic fatigue, diabetes, high blood pressure, cancers, metabolic disorders, organ failures that cost millions in treatment and transplant. For people with diabetes, we got you covered. We have hypoglycemic capsules. This gradually and steadily lowers the sugar levels. It also reactivates the insulin producing cells. Thus, one can get rid of type 2 diabetes by changing diet and adding these products. I actually have very many people that are diabetic free because of the Norland Healthway capsules. They prevent complications of diabetes like diabetic legs, eye challenges, and kidney. We have another amazing product called GI Vital Soft Gel. This regenerates, reactivates, and repairs cells of the whole body, and life begins at cellular level. This is the core of rejuvenative medicine. Many people have been stopped from using non-steroids and non-inflammatory drugs and painkillers. Many people that have been on these drugs have colonic ulcers because of damaging the mucus layer. Thus, enzymes, acid directly affects the stomach linings. Then, another amazing product, Micro molchopeptides. These are used as a combination to facilitate effective usage of all these products, as they are directly absorbed by cells in 30 seconds without digestion, hence fighting inflammation and maintaining colonic conditions in proper mode, like diabetes. Another amazing product is Kuding tea. This helps to slow down enzymes that break down carbohydrates into glucose, thus prevents sugars from striking up after a meal. Kuding tea helps to prevent fatty liver, thus improving overall glucose tolerance. It also acts as an anti-inflammatory antioxidant, reducing oxidation stress in the pancreas, which protects B, or what we can call beta cells. These are cells that make insulin and help the body use its own insulin more effectively. And obesity, because it seems blood, preventing diabetes, complications like high blood pressure. Then Cordyceps coffee. Cordyceps coffee helps to regulate the three highs, thus high blood sugars, high cholesterol, and high blood pressure. Cordyceps coffee helps to absorb glucose from the blood more effectively, acting as a natural insulin sensitizer, reducing insulin resistance. It helps in lowering blood sugars, improving glucose metabolism, lowering it. Investing in your health, because this is the only body you got to live. As I conclude, diabetes might not be your challenge. We also have solutions to high blood pressure, bone and joint challenges, ulcers, cancers, infections, men and women solutions, ulcers, and prostate enlargement. If you are here, there are several ways you can partner with us. You can register and become a consumer, a business builder, or become a customer. But I usually encourage you to become business builders to benefit a lot from Norland International. We have the benefits like travel and lifestyle. You retire early, you earn residual income, and live healthier. Norland is a true settlement. Thank you very much.